Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the refrigerator condenser fan on your Samsung American style fridge freezer. If your fridge freezer isn't cooling as it should, or that you can feel warmth around the door seals, or you can hear noises coming from the back of your fridge freezer, it most likely means that your condenser fan has stopped working. Not to worry, in this video we can help you work out what's causing the issue, and if it is the fan, we'll show you how to replace it so you can get your appliance back up and running again. Now, safety first, make sure that your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any fix. All you're going to need for this repair is a Phillips screwdriver and access to the back of the machine. To check if it is the condenser fan that's causing the issue, you'll need to remove it. And you can do that by first removing the back panel of the fridge freezer using your Phillips screwdriver, and as you can see, this one's already been removed. Use a paintbrush or something similar to remove the dust from the fan blades, the motor and the condenser. Next, you can vacuum the area thoroughly. Once you've cleared the dust, you can now check the movement of the fan blades. If you found that the blades weren't moving freely, then you will need to replace the condenser fan. You can do this by unscrewing the two screws holding it into place with your Phillips screwdriver. Now that the two screws are removed, the next thing to do is remove the connecting plug that's attached to the fan. The fan will be held into place by some locking tabs located on the underside. I can show you what these look like on the replacement fan here. Pull the fan forward while supporting the refrigeration pipe until it lifts free from the plastic base. Be careful not to bend or damage this pipe when doing so. Then you can gently tip the fan to the left at the top, whilst also bringing the bottom up on the right side, so it's roughly at about 45 degrees. You should now be able to remove the fan completely. Just be really careful not to force this, as you don't want to do any damage to the surrounding parts. A quick tip when ordering any replacement parts is to check your old fan to see if there's any part numbers stated. If it has, simply search for this part number on the eSpares website and it should take you to the exact part you need. Once you have your replacement fan, we can proceed to fit it in the 45-degree angle, gently working it into position. Ensuring that the locking tabs are in place, you can now go ahead and refit the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Now you can reattach the plug too. So now once the back panel has been screwed into place, the fix is complete. So there you have it, how to replace the refrigerator condenser fan on your Samsung American style fridge freezer. Now that your fridge freezer is back up and running again, it's a good idea to do some safety checks. So we'll link down below the video on important safety checks for your fridge freezer. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel for plenty more appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.